Today's tests are brought to you by Sean Rankin and Adrian Goss.
I'm glad you.
And me, I already took mine, but I don't have mine. So I wanted to show you guys today because something odd happened. Tell them what happened, Adrian.
So I was taking pregnancy tests. My mom wanted me to. It's really silly, yes, I know. But if you look, there is a little pink line on my pregnancy test. Which means I'm pregnant.
Does it mean you're pregnant? And what happened to yours?
Nothing.
Nothing. So this guy over here has a test that's negative. He is not pregnant. But this guy seems to be pregnant. Something's going on there. So I'm going to have you guys take a look. So this is Sean's. Obviously, he's not pregnant. And this is Adric's. Now, within 5 minutes, his line showed up. So I had to take another test. So the first one, I was like, no way. Why is it showing he's pregnant? The second one, again. So if you guys have any comments about why this could happen, leave them down in the comment section below, because like I said, we're doing the evap lines, trying to figure out if these evap lines are real. I'm going to test Sean's test in another hour. I'm going to take a look and see if there's an evap line, but I highly doubt there's going to be an evap line on his. But for my son's, there's something suspicious going on there, so I had to call his doctor. We have an appointment set up with him tomorrow to see what is going on and why he might have gotten positive pregnancy tests. So stay tuned, guys. If you're new here, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell and keep up to date with us. We will see you guys soon. Bye.